So if you've never experienced it, these are all people putting chains on their tires. It's not even a chain control yet. This is why our roads are terrible. Oh, we got some police car up here directing traffic. Yeehaw! It's gonna be a good one tonight. I don't think I did too bad for my first time making pho. Tell me what you think in the comments. All right, temp check. Croissant. All right, so I'm out getting food, and it decides to hail. Definitely hailing. So I got the grub. We just need to find a camp spot. I think I got about an hour and a half before the sun goes down. We're gonna be heading up into those clouds up there. All right, it's wild. You can see it's all cloudy and blue over here, but the mountains I'm going to are just gray. All right, just made it through chain control. It's R2 conditions right now in California, which means 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive with snow tires do not need chains. Any 2-wheel drive vehicle does need chains. The lady didn't believe me that my Astro van was all-wheel drive, so she had to crawl under and look, but hey, that's her prerogative. It's really coming down right now. Check it out. I was not expecting this much snow at all. This is gonna be fun. Dang, bud. Carnage. Oh, we got another stopped vehicle up here. Great. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be so fun. Oh, we got some police car up here directing traffic. Dang, we got another casualty. Oh, bummer. All right, we got a nice clear window here. About 3/4 of the way up the mountain now. And it is beautiful. Snow is deep, the road isn't plowed, and I got about 30 cars in front of me. We made it. Let's get some food cooking, because I'm hungry. It's a little later than I expected. It's 9:15. I was hoping to get up here around 7:30 or 8, but all those cars and all the snow kind of put a damper in getting me out of here quick, but we're here now, we're safe, and we're going to get some food started. And overnight, looking like we're going to be getting down to 12 or 13 degrees by 6 in the morning. Tomorrow we got sun all day, so it should be a winter wonderland when I wake up tomorrow. And if I'm feeling good enough, I think I'm going to go ski. Alright, so the sauce pack is a little bit different. It just says put this in the water and then retrieve it whenever it's whenever you're ready. So I guess it's kind of like making tea. So we're just gonna go ahead and dunk it in now, and that should start dissipating, I guess. Alright, so while I'm cooking, it creates a lot of condensation, and to fight that, I run a max air fan on out. So this one has 2 modes. It can pull air in, or it can push air out of the van. Right now I have it on out on a very low speed, and that's just drawing the condensation up from the pot and out the fan. I was told to do all this separate, the noodles, the broth, and the meat, but I don't have enough space for that. So I'm gonna do the noodles real quick. Then I'm going to probably add in the meat, then the vegetables, and then some chili sauce and an egg. Okay, I don't think I did too bad for my first time making pho. I got my noodles cooked good. I got my meat cooked decent. Still not even fully cooked. I even got an egg in there. Man. Yum. I know I wasn't supposed to mix it all together, but I think it turned out pretty good. If you think I butchered this recipe, let me know in the comments. Alright, I think I'm full. Put that away for now. Alright, now that I got some food in my belly, I gotta convert this baby into bed mode. To do that, I just have this little ladder looking piece here that lays right in there. And I got my backrest right here. And as you can tell, I got a pretty big bed in this tiny little Astro van. I'll also be using this down sleeping bag. I got my pillow. And if it gets really cold, I also have down booties. These things are a must if you ever winter camp. But yeah, other than that, that's my sleep setup. If you've been following my channel at all, or if you're new here, thanks. I'm Chris. I've been building this Astro van for around 2 years now. And it's finally like campable and I can like have fun in it. It's totally not done yet. As you can see, like the cardboard back here, but yeah, I'm super stoked with where I'm at right now. And this year on New Year's, I went out in a little Razor, like an off-road car, and we were hitting whoops. I ended up herniating a disc in my back. And I'm like a pretty strong dude usually. I can power through pain. This is debilitating. I couldn't even come out here in my van, work on it, enjoy it for like 2 months. But I'm back out here. I'm feeling decent. Tomorrow I'm going to try to do what I call skinning, or what we in the ski world call skinning, which is where like cross-country skiing basically. And I'm going to see how my back feels. I'm just going to start out slow, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. I'm excited though. Tomorrow we're going to get into all that. Right now I think I'm going to hit the hay, so I'll see you in the morning. Alright. Well, made it through the night. Heater's still on. I'm nice and warm. Looks nice out there. Look, there's no condensation on the windows. The heater performs great, especially with no insulation. Alright, let's do some weather check. 8 degrees. Wow. Alright, temp check. Yeah, it's warm in here. Gotta love the Webasto. But yeah. So, we get up, get going. Wait for my dad to wake up and go inside and drink some coffee, because I didn't bring any. And I don't have anything for breakfast, so let's see what he's got. Something came through here. Got some yogurt. Coffee's brewing. And I got some toast. It's not gonna be a bad morning. I won't starve.
that's that. I skied, super happy, my back's okay. I mean, I didn't ski that much, but at least I got a few turns in. Just dropped my dad off, I'm gonna head home. Thanks for tuning in to another Dadventure. Hopefully you'll learn how to make some pho and enjoy the scenery. Peace.